Welcome to my channel. Today I'm visiting Lynford Arboretum. An arboretum is a collection of trees for scientific study. Lynford Arboretum is known for having an amazing variety of bird life, spring flowers and autumn fungi. It has a collection of over 800 mature trees. Each has a label with its scientific name, its English name and country of origin. I also spotted on most of the labels that it says the year the tree was planted. The trees are beautiful, but today I'm here to film the birds. I saw brambling, siskin, goldcrest, yellowhammer, great spotted woodpecker, and I heard people say that they'd seen crossbills. I didn't see them though. You can just see the woodpecker hanging onto the bottom of the fat ball feeder. I'm just going to let you watch now with the only sound being the birdsong in the background. There may be people you hear who are watching these birds, filming them, but other than that, I won't be chatting. The crow's just doing a bit of gardening, helping by turning the leaves over. It's a great help. Goldcrests never stay still for very long. Incredibly difficult to film. Sitting right beside the Arboretum is Lynford Hall Hotel, which I've discovered online was recently up for sale back a couple of years ago for 5.25 million. I can't discover if it actually sold or not, but I know there was an auction of all the contents of the hotel, so it probably did. I wonder what it'll be used for next. Do you see the two together? 3 together. 4. I hope you've enjoyed this video with the birds and the beautiful bird song in the background. Thank you all for watching. Please give it a like if you've enjoyed it. And I'll be back again soon from I have no idea where, but very soon. Bye for now.